How to hide or unhide rows and columns in Google Sheet. Want to declutter your spreadsheet without deleting anything? Hiding rows and columns is perfect way to simplify your view while keeping your data safe in the background. Let's learn how to hide and unhide like a pro. Open the sheet you want to hide or unhide the row from. Simply go on and tap on the row or column you want. Tap on the column and then hold it for a while. There you can see autofill, clear, delete. There, if you tap on the three dot icon, you can see freeze, hide column, resize column group. Tap on hide column. Like this, your column will be hidden. If you want to do for the row, it's the same. Simply hold on the row, select a row and hold on it. There you can see freeze hide row. Simply tap on hide row. If you want to view the hide or unhide the row, then simply hold on it and then there you can see hide resize. But over here you can see a B icon is missing and there you can see arrow. Simply tap on it. The column has been unhided. Like that, you can unhide the row as well.